Carlos Adriel Poquiz Yulo is a Filipino artistic gymnast. He is the 2024 Olympic gold medalist at the floor exercise and vault events. He is the first Filipino and the first male Southeast Asian gymnast to medal at the World Artistic Gymnastics Championships with his floor exercise bronze medal finish in 2018, as well as the first Filipino and Southeast Asian to achieve a gold medal finish for the same criteria in 2019 at the same event. With multiple medals on the international stage, Yulo is the second person to win an Olympic gold medal for the Philippines, the first person to win multiple Olympic gold medals for the country, and the first Southeast Asian athlete to win multiple gold medals at the Olympic Games. Yulo is a two-time Olympic champion, a six-time World Championship medalist, winning two golds, two silvers, and two bronzes, a 10-time Asian champion, and a 9-time SEA Games champion. He is noted for his short stature compared to other male gymnasts, his precision in form, and the difficulty of his routines, especially in the floor exercise, vault, and parallel bars. Carlos Yulo was born on February 16, 2000 to Mark Andrew Yulo, a travel agent liaison, and Angelica Yulo, a homemaker, in Manila, Philippines. He is the second of 4 siblings. His older sister, Joriel, is a member of the National University Pep Squad, and his younger siblings, Carl Jarl Ildrew and Eliza Andriel, are also gymnasts. Yulo grew up watching Filipino gymnasts train and compete at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Yulo started training for gymnastics when he was 7 years old, when his grandfather, Rodrigo Frisco, saw him tumbling at a local playground and brought him to the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines for training. He would also train at the Club Gymnastica in Capitolio, Pasig in his early years. Yulo and his girlfriend Chloe Angela San Jose, a content creator student from Melbourne, Australia, began their long-distance relationship in 2020. Yulo is estranged from his mother, Angelica, whom he has accused of misappropriating his funds. Both parties also acknowledged San Jose to be a reason for the strained relationship. The relationship came to wider public attention shortly after Yulo's first gold medal win at the 2024 Summer Olympics. The family feud persisted in the public consciousness at least up to September 2024, when Yulo said he had moved on from issues which are too personal to keep publicly commenting on. How Filipino Olympic champion Carlos Yulo met his girlfriend. Born in the Philippines, Chloe San Jose, the girlfriend of gymnast Carlos Yulo, is a model and online influencer. San Jose, 22, was raised in Melbourne, Australia, and is currently pursuing a degree in nursing. San Jose disclosed in a video on her TikTok account that she sent her initial message to Carlos in April 2020 via X, formerly Twitter. Her message read, "Hi, I'm a fan. Just came across your account and noticed you're not as active as before." It continued, "I hope you're doing well. Stay safe. God bless." Carlos then replied to her, "Hello, Jefe. Anyway, I'm doing great here. Thank you. Take care there too and God bless." This exchange led to further conversations and eventually, a romance blossomed between the two. At the time, Carlos was training in Japan, and San Jose was studying in Australia, leading them to initially maintain a long-distance relationship. They met in person for the first time in Vietnam during the 31st Southeast Asian Games in 2022, where Carlos was competing. San Jose has since been a supportive figure in Carlos' career, as she has accompanied him at various competitions, including the 2024 FIG Artistic Gymnastics World Cup Series in Qatar and the 2024 Paris Olympics, where Carlos won 2 gold medals. Amid issues between San Jose and Carlos' mother Angelica, who accused San Jose of exploiting her son and intensifying tensions between her and the gymnast, Carlos has publicly defended his girlfriend. At 24, Carlos is celebrated as the most decorated Filipino gymnast to date. He holds the distinction of being the second person from the Philippines to clinch an Olympic gold medal, and the first to earn multiple Olympic golds for the country. He is set to receive numerous accolades from the Philippine government, including a 3-bedroom condo worth 32 million pesos, $558,000 in Manila's McKinley Hill, as reported by Fortune magazine. In October 2024, Yulo joined the Philippine Navy as a reservist with the rank of Petty Officer First Class. Inside Carlos Yulo's 32 million peso condo unit. Carlos Yulo has been basking in the glory of his historic back-to-back Olympic gold medals just 2 days after his arrival in the country on August 13, 2024. On August 14, 2024, Carlos officially sees his brand new fully furnished condominium unit valued at 32 million pesos. This property, awarded by Megaworld Corporation, is one of many rewards pledged for his triumph at the Paris Olympics 2024. Carlos's new home is located in McKinley Hill, a prominent central business district located beside Bonifacio Global City in Taguig City. The condo boasts a 100 square meter floor area, featuring 3 bedrooms, a maid's room with its own toilet and bath, and a dedicated parking slot. The real estate company posts photos of Carlos's new home on its Facebook page. Upon entering the unit, you'll be welcomed by the dining area and kitchen, fully equipped with a dining table, utensils, and a variety of appliances, such as a refrigerator, a 4-burner cooktop with oven, and washing and drying machines, among many others. The living room is furnished with a comfortable sofa, ottomans, a smart TV, and a gaming console. A standout feature in the living room is the nesting coffee table, which proudly displays a replica of Carlos's Paris Olympic Games gold medal. The hallway leading to the rooms is lined with framed newspaper clippings celebrating Carlos's Olympic victory. Each of the 3 rooms is fully furnished and equipped with a smart TV. The master bedroom has a queen-sized bed, another room contains a single bed, and the guest bedroom has a sofa bed. The condo also features 2 balconies that are accessible through the living room and the master bedroom. There's also a special leaf artwork from Alliance Global Group President and CEO Kevin Altan and Megaworld President Lourdes T. Gutierrez Alfonso during the turnover ceremony of the unit. More rewards. In addition to the condo, Carlos will also receive 2 more real estate properties. One is a house and lot package valued at 6 million pesos in First Edition's Bacalao project, Nasugbu, Batangas, courtesy of Century Properties Group CPG, while the other is from Philippine Olympic Committee President Abraham Tolentino. He will also receive cash rewards totaling at least 40 million pesos. This includes the 20 million pesos mandated by law under RA 10,699, National Athletes and Coaches Benefits and Incentives Act, signed by the late President Benigno Aquino in 2015. 14 million pesos from the House of Representatives. 3 million pesos from Bounty Fresh Group Holdings Inc. and Shukstugo. And an additional 3 million peso cash bonus also from Megaworld Corporation. Yulo, Patricio, Villegas received brand new homes in Tagaytay. Paris Olympics medalists Carlos Yulo, Nesty Patricio, and Era Villegas received their homes in Tagaytay City. For Patricio, it's her second home in the city where Philippine Olympic Committee President Abraham Bombal Tolentino serves as mayor. Tolentino turned over the keys to double gold medalist Yulo and bronze medalists Patricio and Villegas at the Prawn Peak Townhouse subdivision in Barangay Silang Crossing West. Yulo, winner of the men's floor exercise and vault gold in Paris, was rewarded a 2-story home that sits on a 500 square meter lot, while his neighbor, Villegas, will now have a getaway in the city atop a ridge that would very soon boast of the country's first indoor and would UCI standard velodrome. Villegas' new 2-story home is on a 200-meter lot in the same village. Same with Patricio, who was rewarded a house in Barangay San Jose for clinching a silver medal in the Tokyo 2020 Games. Villegas said she'd surely be in Tagaytay City during breaks from her training in Baguio City, and when going home to her native Tacloban City won't be viable. Patricio, on the other hand, decided to settle in her brand new home. I will be living here in this house with my brother and family, and we'll rent out our first house here too, said Patricio, now 32 but still in hot pursuit of a gold medal in Los Angeles 2028. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.